Hey guys, Benny here from WoodWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome watch and pin stand. So I hope you enjoy the video. So for this watch stand, I'm using walnut, maple, and cherry. I already made a prototype that should be on the screen right now, but I didn't like the joints. They just were loose and just terrible, especially my work with the chisel is bleh, because I suck with chisels. So this is going to be a video of me trying again. So yeah, let's go. For some reason I can't find my cherry, so for this part right here that was cherry, instead I'm just going to use some red oak. So this is 1/2 inch thick, and I'm gonna make this 1/2 inch thick, but first I need to cut the strip first. So because I have it at a 45-degree angle, I'm gonna need to make this one smaller than this one. So this is like 2 inches and something, but I'm making this one 1.5 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it at 1.5 inches, then I'll plane it down to 1/2 inch, and then we'll go on from there. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this to 4.5 inches and this to 2.5 inches. So, yeah. So now that we have all of the pieces cut, we can see what it will look like. And for this piece of walnut right here, I cut it to a width of 4 inches and a length of 4 inches and a width of 3 inches. So obviously you can see all the parts coming together. So I made this one taller just because originally when I made this joint, I had to cut off some just because it all went badly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make a joint like that right there for this part, and then I'm going to do a different joint on here. So yeah, I'm going to sand this off first though. So now that I have all of these pieces cut, I'm going to do some finish sanding, staying away from the joints because they all fit really well. So I'm just going to sand it all up and then we can glue it. So now all the pieces are sanded and ready for the glue up, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to glue them up, so yeah. So now that the watch stand is all glued up, I'm gonna go make a pin because it's also gonna be a pin holder. So let's go do that. Okay, so now that we made a confusing stand to hold the watch, I'm just going to make a super simple stand to hold the pin. I'm just going to drill a hole so that it holds the pin just like so. So I'm just going to drill that hole really quick. Hopefully I don't screw everything up. Okay, so it is finished, and here it is. It looks spectacular. It turned out so much better than I thought it would. The original prototype had terrible joints, and it was just all around sucky, but I believe this one just turned out so much better than I ever could have imagined. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, just go out and make it. Like the video, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks for my next video. So yeah.